Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review and show you how to use this Ninja FlexFlame Premium half a griddle for the Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Propane Grill. Okay, this is the half griddle and it is 10.5 inches wide by 14.5 inches front to back, and then about an inch thick. Now it does come with a light coating of oil, but we're supposed to wash this off. And then we got to put some canola oil on, let it dry really good. It says, put some canola oil on it, heat it up to 500 degrees, then put some more canola oil on it, wipe it with a rag a little bit, and you're supposed to do that twice. Here's exactly what the manual says for a seasoning. Before using hand wash with soapy water, dry griddle completely, then rub with a very small amount of canola oil. Wipe it off, remove both griddle plates, place in, it says it can be reversible, but I don't think so. Preheat the griddle to 500 degrees. Once the griddle is preheated, it must be oiled. 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil directly on the griddle, then use tongs to grasp a paper towel, spread the oil evenly. Keep the griddle plate hot after oiling for 5 to 10 minutes, then allow it to cool down. Repeat this once more before first use. Now, it says you have to do this, you have to oil it after every use. Cleaning, here's how you clean it. While the griddle plate is hot, so after we're done, use a metal spatula to scrape off any residue. You may pour 1 cup of water on the plate to help with scraping while it's hot. It is recommended that you turn the burners off while scraping. Scraping residue off the griddle while cooking may cause flare-ups. Griddle may also be hand washed as needed. Important, when you hand wash the griddle, you must oil it again. When using the griddle, you just use like a sponge. It's not dishwasher safe. If there's any water on the griddle, ensure it is completely dried before storing to prevent rust. Lightly oil the griddle and store covered indoors. So that's going to be very important. These things will rust. Okay, so as you can see, the half is just half as big as the full. Okay, I've got some canola oil on it. Let's heat the grill up. We're going to turn it to ignite. All right, we're going to heat it up. I've got this set to 500 degrees. We're going to heat this up and put some more canola oil. This will take a while, I think, but we'll close the lid. It should heat up quicker. Okay, been about 10 minutes. Oh yeah, 585. Ooh, that is hot. All right, now I got to oil it again. Okay, all I had was some avocado oil, so that thing is really, really hot. So let's move that avocado oil around. All right. And we want to let this sit. I think I can turn this off. Yeah. Okay, I've done that twice. This is the final. I put some canola oil on it. It's cooled down. Let's close the lid now. Oops. We're going to cook some eggs and pancakes. 450 it says. That's the lowest we can go. Okay, that temperature right there, 439, is pretty accurate to what that is. Well, actually it was earlier. Now it's like 20 degrees hotter. So, all right, so the griddle is up to temperature 450 degrees. All right, let's put some pancakes on first. And again, I've got it oiled. Hopefully I don't have to oil it again, but probably should have taken that rack off. All right, those are getting done quick. All right, let's see. Ooh, yeah. That is extremely fast. And they smell delicious. Wow. That is so much quicker than inside. Now I'm not going to turn the fan on. I do have the burners still on. That's the 3 burners down there. With the lid open, you know, we're still hovering around 450. Okay. All right, I think they're done. Wow, those are going to be awesome. No sticking. Perfect. All right, let's crack an egg. Sorry I couldn't show that. I had to set the phone down, but cracking them was super easy, and they start cooking right away. Now, I don't think they're going to stick, but maybe I should have put a little bit more on. I'm not an expert at cooking like this. But the pancakes turned out amazing. And we're still 440. Yeah, we're still 450, so. All right, let's see. All right, let's try it. Oh, wow, no sticking. And Miss Fiona has come out to watch. I'm sure she would like to sample. Oh, wow, no sticking. That's awesome. Are you going to help me sample? She's very camera shy. Wow, those are over easy. That's going to taste really good. Okay, over easy eggs. No sticking. Pancakes, eggs. I could have put some bacon on here. That would have helped with putting the oil on there. Okay, lids has stayed open and we are hovering. We was cooled down. I could close the lid to heat it back up to 450. It's not able to maintain that 450 with the lid open. And I've got this all the way on high. So let's see to clean it. And then we would, oh, that's cleaned up good. And then we would re-oil it. And then I did notice whatever drains down here eventually goes to that grease trap down in there. I'm very impressed with this. I like having the half griddle. The other one, they do have a full griddle. It is pretty heavy. And you would take out this grate, you would have a full one. It's basically twice as big as that. You know, we can see the eggs. Yeah, they're looking good. I'm gonna throw some more pancakes on there. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.